welcome back to my channel. This is Sarah, where I show you how you can upgrade your home with DIYs, woodworking, and interior design. So today I wanted to show you a really simple, easy project that you can do. What is the number one question that I get asked a lot? That is, what can I do on a budget to give my space a little bit of refreshing? And the answer will always be, in my personal opinion, paint. Paint is so cheap, it's so easy, and it will give a very fresh, clean look to any project that you have. So today, I'm going to show you something really simple. I took my builder grade island originally, and I will show you pictures. It has this granite countertop, and I have a lot of gray trim and doors in my house. And I love it, but honestly, it's a little bland, and it's just not very inspiring or fun. And I love color, and color makes me happy. So I took some leftover paint that I have, and I went ahead and threw a coat on my island, and this is what I get. And I hope that this inspires you to do the same to a project in your home.
1, 2, 3, come on!
So you need to start by prepping your surface, and basically that just means you need to give it a good cleaning, and then you can go through with a light sandpaper. I think it was a 180 or a 150 grit paper, just to scuff it up enough so that the paint will adhere to the island. Once it's prepped, you can go ahead and paint, and one tip that I like to give everybody is, no matter how good a paint you get, always put 2 coats on. It just really gives it a nice clean look and makes a huge difference. And here's the before and after. I really love how it turned out, and if you decide to take a project and upgrade it with a fresh coat of paint, please post a picture below. I would love to see it. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.